See how to process the parquet documents, right? How the information is passed on to the higher level employees regarding the parquet documents, right? Go back to notes, please. Put heading. Processing of parquet documents. Processing of parquet documents. Processing of parquet documents. There are two ways. There are two ways to process the parquet documents. Number one, through short messages. Number one, through short messages. The lower level employee after parking the document, the lower level employee after parking the document, he will send the message to SAP. He will send the message through SAP to the higher level employee. To the higher level employee. Then the higher level employee will open the mail. Then the higher level employee will open the mail. From the mail, he can find out the document number parked. He can find out the document number parked. And he will go to FBV0 transaction code. And he will go to FBV0 transaction code. And authorizes the document. And authorizes the document. To send the short messages. To send the short messages. Go to menu system. Go to menu system. Short message. Go to menu system. Short message. Here, the system menu is available in every screen, right? So from any screen, we can send a short message. Go to menu system, short message. Otherwise, within brackets, T code SO00. T code SO00. You can see the transaction code on the status bar. T code SO00. Title is equal to request for approval. Title is equal to request for approval. Document contents is equal to document contents is equal to enter the content of the message. Enter the content of the message. See, like what? Respected sir, I parked the salaries payment document with the number 12. So please authorize it as soon as possible. Thanking you. Like that, you can not only this message, you can send any messages through SAP. So thanking you or thank you. Continue. Recipient is equal to enter the user ID of respect to higher level employee. Enter the user ID of respect to higher level employee. So here I am entering my username only. Type is equal to SAP logon name. That is recipient type. SAP logon name. SAP logon name. Select Express Mail checkbox. Select Express Mail checkbox. This is called Express Mail checkbox. Click on Send. Shift plus F8. Click on Send. Shift plus F8. See, for example, the higher level employee needs the documentary evidence, right? For the salaries payment, right? In that case, right, you can take the, you can scan the voucher, right? And you can keep it on the desktop and you can attach it. Create attachment, right? You can scan the original document, right? You can keep it anywhere on your system. So from there, right, you can attach. That's my point. So if you want to attach any document, right, you can click on create attachment. Otherwise, click on this send button. Now, next. To open the mailbox. To open the mailbox. Go to the transaction code SBWP. Go to the transaction code SBWP. Within brackets, SAP Business Workplace. SAP Business Workplace.
Sir, can you please repeat the T code once again?
SBWP.
Okay.
Look at the screen. SBWP. Within brackets, SAP Business Workplace. SAP Business Workplace. So SBWP means SAP Business Workplace. So the higher level employee, right, we go to the transaction code SBWP. See, when he's trying to log into the mailbox, he gets one message, Express document, request for approval received from the author Lakshman. Click enter on the message. Click enter on the message. Click on inbox. Look at this thing. Here, 100 documents, one is there, right? So if you come to this inbox, you will know everything automatically. So double click on this 100 documents. So this is one document, request for approval, right? Double click on this. See, here from this message, you can find that document number 12, right? Then he will go to FBV0. Then he enter the company code, document number, and fiscal year. Then he will authorize it. So this is one way of processing and authorizing your parquet documents, right? Next, number 2. Second way. through workflow. Through workflow. Through workflow. Workflow is the module. Workflow is the module used for internal communications, and approvals among the employees. When the workflow is implemented, when the workflow is implemented, when the user is posting a document, and if the amount of the document is, more than his allowable upper limit, then it will be automatically moved to parked status. And a mail is automatically generated. And sent to respect to higher level employee. When the higher level employee authorizes the document, then again a mail is automatically generated and sent to lower level employee. So this is totally automated process, right? The workflow can be configured. In the transaction code SWDD. Look at the screen. See, this is called workflow builder, right? So this is configured by sometimes ABAP consultants, or sometimes there are separate workflow consultants will be there. So whatever may be the case, it's not the job of the functional consultant to configure workflow. So these are the two ways where we can process the parked documents, right? Now, the next topic is old documents, right? See, it is the activity of keeping the documents pending for posting due to want of information. See, it is the activity of keeping the documents pending for posting due to want of information. When the information necessary to post the document is not completely available, we hold the document. Means, in order to post a document, right, minimum we need 2 line items. One is debit line item, the other one is credit line item. So sometimes some information regarding some of the line items may be missing. In that case, right, the user enters the document with the information available in the system. Then he will keep it pending for posting. That is called held document. Then that is stored in the database. After some time, the information may be available. In that case, he can retrieve the held document from the database. He can supply the missing information, then he can post it. Then only your GL account balances will be updated. So when you hold the document, it also will not update any GL account balances because it was not posted, right? It was kept pending for posting because we don't have complete information. So these held documents are also called incomplete documents. These held documents also are called incomplete documents. So at the time of holding the document, the user himself has to give the number to the document. Remember, very important. At the time of holding the document, the user himself has to give the number for the document, right? That number is called temporary document number. And the temporary document number can contain up to 10 characters and it is alphanumeric. So why the system cannot use the number ranges for the document type SCA? Because those number ranges are for complete documents. Those number ranges are for complete documents. But here, held documents means they're incomplete documents. That's why it cannot use the number from the document type SCA. So the user has to supply the number. So all this information I have given here, right? All this explanation I have given in this paragraph. Say, let us take one example. See, every Friday we are paying wages, weekly wages we are paying. And let us assume today is Friday. So as an accountant, I know I got the information that wages have been paid. But I don't know the mode of payment. I don't know the mode of payment, right? That means I don't know whether the wages have been paid in cash or whether wages have been paid through bank accounts. If the wages are paid through bank accounts, right, your bank account is to be created. If the wages are paid in cash, cash account is to be created. But I don't have this information. So I have the information that wages have been paid and I know the amount. So I can enter only debit line item and I can keep it pending. So after some time, right, I got the information that the wages were paid in cash. Then I can retrieve the held document, right? I can give the information regarding the credit line item, then I can post it. Then only our wages account, cash accounts are updated. So holding the document, F-02. F-02. Document date is 5/1/2023. Type is SCA. Company code SSKH. Posting date 5/1/2023. Period term. Currency INR. Posting key 40. Debit for GL account. Account is 400-200. Account is 400-200. Click on enter. The amount is 25,000. Business area SSKH. Text being wages paid. Text being wages paid. So here we don't have the information regarding credit line item, right? So I want to hold it. Go to menu document, hold. See, it is asking to enter the temporary document number. So temporary document number is equal to FIGLWA1. Wages. Just like that, you can give any name. It's an alphanumeric. FI financial accounting, GL general ledger, wages first document. Just like that, I followed some logic, nothing else. We can do ABC1 also. FIGLWA1 within brackets any name. Click on enter. See. Click on enter. Yes, it is there. Now look at the message. Document FIGLWA1 was held. Now after some time, I got the message that the wages were paid in cash. So posting of held document. Go to the same transaction code F-02. Go to menu document, get the held document. Go to menu document, get the held document. See, here you can read the transaction code within brackets. Go to menu document, click on held document is there, no? Within brackets, FB11. Transaction code FB11. You can directly go to FB11 also. Temporary document number is equal to FIGLWA1. Suppose you have the number of held documents, right? And you did not follow any logic and you don't remember the number also, right? In that case, click on document list. I told you, in every change function, display function, we have the document list button, right? So if you click on document list button, the system will display all the held documents. See, there is only one document. So it is displaying only one held document. Clear, no? So suppose if you want to delete, the held document, right? So just enter the document number, click on delete. And if you want to edit, just to click on edit. So by just looking at the icon, sometimes you will be able to understand what we can do. So temporary document number is equal to FIGLWA1. Click on enter. See, only one item is displayed by the system. Posting key 50. The account is 2,100,000. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKH. Text plus. Click on save. See, document 12 was posted in the company code. Now go to menu document display. See, wages account returned to cash. So this is very simple functionality. See, sometimes what happens is you may get one error message. See, if the error message, held documents must be converted is displayed. Follow this procedure. Go to the transaction code SC38. Go to the transaction code SC38. Program name is equal to RFTM PBLU. Program name is equal to RFTM PBLU. Here, for every activity, there is a program. That means, for example, we are entering the document in the general ledger, right? Then we are clicking on save. So in that case, the system has to update account balances in the database. For that, right, the system has to update the account balances of respect to accounts, right? So for that, within the software, one program is executed. So for that program, one name will be there. So here, in order to save the held document in the system, a program is executed in the system, and the name of the program is RFTM PBLU. And this is very important for the ABAP people, not for us. So program is equal to RFTM PBLU. Click on execute. This is the execute button. Then select no termination for read error. Select no termination for read error. Click on execute. In our case, there is no any error, right? So no conversion necessary, all held documents are correct. See, normally what happens, no, in the production system, right, when the user is trying to hold the document for the first time, then this message is displayed by the system. Production system means, right, the SAP server used by the employees of the company. That is called production system. So here we have the different types of servers, right? Sandbox server, testing server, right? Then production server. All these things we will discuss later on. This is called system environment, right? In the projects, we have the different types of system environment, right? So those things we will discuss later on. Sometimes the sandbox server is also called development server. So development server will be there, testing server will be there, and production server will be there. So what do we do in these particular servers? We will discuss later on. Then the next topic is special documents, reference documents, template documents, or posting techniques. No, this is the testing server actually. We are practicing on testing server. See, special documents, reference documents, template documents, posting techniques. So this topic we will discuss tomorrow because today I got unexpected work, right? So I have to go early, okay? So I'm closing the session for today, okay? And if you have any questions also, please ask them in tomorrow's class, right? Okay, then see you tomorrow.